In this video, I'm going to show you how to start categorizing your blog posts. So this is going to make it a lot easier for your users to navigate through the different kinds of blog posts you have available on your website. So let's navigate over to our blogs by clicking on blogs over here on the left-hand side. And you'll see I've created a bunch of new blog posts. And what I want to do is start creating categories for these blog posts. Now, like I showed you in the previous video, you can go ahead and create a new post, and here within categories, you can create a new category. So let's go ahead and do that. And let's say, does my cat hate me? Let's go ahead and create a new category, and let's call this cat relations. And then we can go ahead and hit save. And that category has now been created within the system. So we have a new blog category. We then want to go and grab an image. That was difficult to say. And I'm just going to say cat. And we are going to choose, let's look at this one. Sure. Choose that, and then we're going to publish it and hit save. So then you have that post, does my cat hate me, that has been categorized into the cat relations category. But we can go ahead and create more categories and start categorizing our posts in a multitude of ways. So if I want to create new categories and I haven't categorized any of my other posts, what I want to do is come here to categories on the left-hand side. And you'll see here I've got my cat relations category, but I want to create a new category. So I'm going to create a new category by simply clicking add category. And this one I'm going to call cat toys. And then I could choose a parent category, but I don't want to put my cat toys category into a parent category. I'm going to leave this alone, and I'm going to hit save. And so now this category has been created. And if I go to my posts over here on the left-hand side, and I come to my specific post about cat toys, are cat toys good for cats? I can then come over here to categories on the right-hand side. I don't know my left from my right. And I can choose the cat toys category. Good Lord, I cannot speak this morning. And then I'm going to hit save. So now that post has also been categorized, but I can also go into a post and create a new category for that post within the post itself. So let me see, I have the best cat food. So I want to create a new category for cat food. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to come here to my categories, and you'll see that I've got those two categories that I've already created, but I want to add a new category, and this one I'm going to call cat food. And again, I could create a parent category, but again, I'm not going to right now, and I'm just going to hit save. So now I've got three categories: cat toys, cat relations, and cat food. And then I can go ahead and hit save. Those changes will be saved, and this post will be categorized. So let's navigate back to our other posts over here. And I'm going to see what I have here. Does my cat hate me? Why cuddling cats is good for your health? Cats and water. Is my cat stressed, or is it me? Are cat toys good for cats? The best cat food, and why cats are cool. So there's a few things here that could actually fall under cat relations. I know, I'm sorry, I chose the weirdest topic. I like cats. So I'm going to come here to why cuddling cats is good for your health. And what I'm going to do is create a new category for this particular post. So I'm going to come to my categories, I'm going to add a category, and I'm going to say cats and health. And then I'm going to choose a parent category, and that is going to be my cat relations category, because I think cats and health kind of falls under cat relations. Again, I'm choosing the wildest topic here. Then I'm going to hit save. And now I have a new parent category. So I'm going to hit save. And now when I navigate back to my categories, you'll see here that this cat relations category has been turned into a parent category for cats and health. So you can do that with as many of your posts as you want. You can create parent categories. So let's say, for example, you have a fashion blog, which is a far more understandable idea than what I've created here. But you could have a parent category of shoes. And then you have your subcategories of the different kinds of shoes that you blog about. You could have a category of Paris Fashion Week and the different fashion weeks that you have blogged about falling under that. So that's an idea of how you would use categories. This is also going to help your users navigate your blog posts and find the sorts of blog posts that they are looking for. But those are the different ways that you can categorize your blog posts. In the next video, I am going to show you how to set up the front-facing part of your blog. So this is adding your blog to your website so that your users can actually read your blog posts and navigate through them. So I'll see you in the next video.